Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can play your own CD in Heartopia. So in the previous video, I showed you guys how you can like burn the CD and stuff, but to play, you're just going to select the play button here and select the CD. Make sure you have burned it, and then just press play, and it's going to play your audio. And you can also view like the cover of it as well as like the rest here. But that is pretty much it really. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. If you have any questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.